Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks for accurate accounting, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and select the appropriate company file. If you haven't created a company file yet, choose Create a new company. Follow the prompts to input your business information. Select your industry to help QuickBooks customize features for your needs. Set up your chart of accounts by navigating to the Lists menu. Choose Chart of Accounts and click Account to add new accounts. Make sure to categorize your accounts correctly for efficient tracking. Next, configure your financial settings under Company Settings. Choose Preferences and adjust settings for accounting, sales, and set up your payment methods by going to the Banking menu. Click on Add Payment Method and include options like credit cards or cash. Now, establish your sales tax settings by going to Taxes. Select Sales Tax Preferences and enable sales tax tracking for your business. Set up your items by navigating to the Lists menu again. Choose Item List and click New to add products or services you offer. Ensure you link your items to their respective income accounts for accurate tracking. Next, input your vendors and customers. Go to the Vendors menu and click Vendor Center to add vendor information. Do the same for customers by selecting Customers and then Customer Center. Now, configure your billing and invoicing settings. Under Sales Preferences, set your invoice template and payment terms. Set up your payroll features if you have employees. Navigate to the Employees menu and select Payroll Setup to start. Complete the guided setup for employee details and payroll items. Finally, run a trial balance report to verify your configuration. Go to the Reports menu and select Accountant and Taxes, then Trial Balance. Review the report to ensure all balances are accurate and up to date. Make any necessary adjustments to your accounts. Now you are ready to start using QuickBooks for your accounting needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.